Hello guys, hope you are doing well. In previous video I have explained introduction to CRM. Today I am gonna talk about some eCRM benefits and challenges. There is eCRM software which enhances our ability to understand customers and inquires their needs, names, interests and a lot of more. We can get closer to them, speak with them. One of the assess the five fundamental benefits of e-marketing. A dynamic dialogue that is instantaneous, relevant value editing and information gleaning, recognize and remembers each customer by name and need, answers questions often automatically and ideally personally, asks questions, collects information and builds a better profile, particularly of those ideal lifetime customers. The real potential advantage of online marketing lies in its potential to build relationships and create long-term value. Companies who have risen to the challenge of eCRM have a 360-degree view of their customers. This in turn generates real loyalty from lifetime customers who readily share valuable data with you. Have you got the software to explore the valuable data you can collect from customers? Most don't. Have you got the processes in place to ensure excellent service that keeps customers coming back for more? On average, purchase intent sees a double-digit increase after someone has been to a site more than one. Keeping existing customers coming back for more is more profitable than acquiring new customers. Flowers and Altruists just it is 10 times more profitable to serve an existing customer than recruit a new one. It therefore makes a lot of sense to nurture the captured customers into lifetime friends. CRM and eCRM helps to keep ideal customers. Retention can be improved by improving CRM. The returns on this investment are large. All of this is a new business environment. This is completely different to just a few years ago. The time compressed information fatigued impatient customer is unforgiving. 80% of customers will never go back to an organization after a bad customer experience, up from 68% in 2006. Combine this with customers who talk back and who talk to each other courtesy of new social media web 2.0, and the goalposts have moved for many marketers. Social network sites facilitates customer discussing. Coca-Cola never asked for rockets. It just happened that customers discovered that mixing Coke and Mentos mints caused an explosive reaction, and customers started posting videos of this phenomena. User-generated content is not totally uncontrollable as Chevrolet and Knight discovered. See the customer bites back in e-customers. Web 2.0 is here to stay. It will grow in line with the very human need for social content. Customers have been mobilized by blogs, social media sites and invitations to create UGC to name but a few. Web 2.0 tools. The old CRM customer dialogue has involved in the customer trilogue. The hardest lesson to learn is that there are smartest people not working for your company than there are working for your company. Mutual Pearl referring to customers and other stakeholders, including pressure groups who generate content outside of your control and all about your brand. The online world presents new challenges when nurturing customer relationships. This eCRM chapter has sections on the key elements, including two introductory level sections on CRM itself and relationship marketing, database marketing, as well as personalization, profiling, managing income emails, and in implementing eCRM. Remember, CRM or eCRM in particular is not about technology. It's not just a process or way of doing things. It requires, in fact, a complete customer culture, the challenges shows. Given these benefits of eCRM, many companies have attempted to implement CRM technologies to help give a single view of the customer. The challenge of CRM is that it is not just an immense technology challenge, but it is also a challenge because of the change management needed for challenges in process and the role of staff. Thank you for watching.